So when looking for a variable speed polisher that you use for surface polishing, if you've taken my training in the past, you've heard me talk about balance. So most polishers are not made for surface polishing. So we're looking for that balance, we're looking for lightweight, and we're looking for the right RPMs. So we offer a polisher now that gives you that balance, the price point is great, and the RPMs are in the right zone. We've made this primarily for our porcelain kit. The RPMs on the low side are slightly higher than, say, a flex polisher. So this goes from like a 1,000 to 3,000 RPM range and is ideal for working with the porcelain kit. So if you're interested in the variable speed polisher, click on the link below. It's available on the website.